Mbere ya kamitii ya mbunge igii ugima wa mwiri ni kwanyitite miru ruhonge-ini ruru magwikinyitie gucokia ciuria cigimaine na Ndereti igii kandarathi njeru gatagati ka NHIF na thibitari cia andu kiumbe kunyihio gwa kigina kiria kirarihagirwo arwaru aria mabataraga motungata ma dialysis igitumura urugari.
Thank you.
Monica Muthoni ni umwe wa Arwaru a higo aria magwikinyitie mbere ya kamitii ino akiuga kunyihio kwa marihi maya ni murigo munene kuri arwaru na thengia ya gukorwo ni marihaga kadi ya NHIF.
In the facilities that we attend, they do not provide us. We normally pay cash for them. So like this is on Monday, I bought iron sucrose, which is actually in the package, in the NHIF package. So I think in the task force that the NHIF has, I would request that they incorporate the patients so that they can be able to highlight what they receive as what the scheme says they receive.
Okay.
Mbere ya mogaruruku maya NHIF irarihaga ciringi 9,500 maita meri o kiumia na gucungiriria murwaru kwirihira rita ria gatatu marihi meru makinyihio nginyagia ciringi 6,500 maita matatu o kiumia. Muthoni akiuga ni marihinyiririkaga kuona maricungagiririo kuongerera kigina.
If I go to the private sector or the public sector now, it is 6,500 that NHIF is going to start paying. I'll be forced to top up 3,000 shillings in every session so that I get to 9,500 per session.
Now, how many sessions?
Even if I go for the 3 sessions, I'll still have to top up 3,000 shillings.
What is important to me, the session is important, okay? Per session, that's okay. But it is important on how many will be covered. Was there a limit on the number of dialysis you can give a patient so long as you do it at 9 or 6? And I'm saying that, Daktari, because for one, it depends at what, we are actually talking of only one aspect of hemodialysis, chronic dialysis. We have not had anybody mention what happens in acute stage where you may need 2-3 dialysis even in a day.
Mweneni wake murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa NHIF Peter Kamunyo ateteire mogaruruku maya akiuga ni marekete uthuthuria wao magikinyaniria itua riri.
Thank you.
Kamitii ino ni athite NHIF na Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri gukuruhania nyititemi na gucoka mbere ya kamitii ino thutha wa thiku 21. Ripotera Kameme TV retorokani wa Juru wa Foro.
Thank you. So Yumbia also